Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the US state of Minnesota, but we assist clients from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. Now, one of the services that our clients most frequently ask us to perform is the SIM unlocking of a device in order to be used on a different carrier other than the one that originally sold it. By default, most mobile devices are going to come with some sort of lock that restricts them to only being used on the original carrier, and they have to undergo some sort of unlock process in order to be used on a different carrier or a different network. Now, here with us today, we happen to have a Samsung Galaxy Note 8, originally from AT&T here in the US. And this is a device that has not been SIM unlocked yet. As we can see here on this device, when we have a different non-AT&T SIM card inserted, it's asking us here for the network unlock code, which is the standard unlock mechanism that AT&T uses for all of their Android and other devices, which are not iPhones. So you insert a SIM card from a carrier that has nothing to do with AT&T, the phone asks you for the code, type in the code, and then the phone is unlocked. Up here, also in the notification bar, we can see that we have a notification saying invalid SIM card inserted. So it's also letting you know there that this is a device that is still restricted to AT&T. Now, of course, there are a lot of different sites and apps and services offering you the ability to be able to get that unlock code and for you to type it in yourself. But this is actually one of the devices where we can do the unlock ourselves manually using our computer programs and tools, and that can be done instantly without you having to wait several days for that code to come. So we're making this video to let any interested clients know that we do offer an instant service to be able to get it done so that you're not sitting there waiting for that time period. That's actually exactly what I'm running here right now on the phone while it's plugged in is our computer program. And so after that wraps up, we should be able to see then that the phone restarts and it should be able to work fine on the SIM card that we have inserted and without giving us those error messages. Just so you can see exactly what we're working with here, we're going to go ahead and jump into the settings really quick. So then here under About Phone, we obviously see that we have a Galaxy Note 8 and it shows the model number there. And then if we go ahead and go under the software information status, under the service provider section there, we can see that everything is showing up as AT&T. Now, of course, with Samsung's recent flagship phones, they all have the exact same model number, and some of the software components can also be identical. So it's getting a little bit tougher to determine just by looking at a phone where it originally comes from, but that's one of the key indicators is looking at that service provider section in the settings. And then if you also notice, we are under Android 9 here, with a recent software version as of the date of this video. So that's also letting you know that this can be run on any version that the phone has. It's not like we're not able to do it if the phone's been fully updated. So my program is just finishing up here, and then we should be able to see that after the restart, that the phone is then able to read that SIM card without asking for that unlock code and giving us the error messages. So just give it 1 second while it boots up here. And there's the AT&T logo, of course, another indication of where it originally comes from. And then right away up there you can see that it shows T-Mobile as the carrier that it's registered on now. And then we also are not going to have that network locked SIM card notification anymore. So that's gone. And we have our full signal status bars up there. It's running on LTE. We've got the signal strength indicator, and then it also is going to give us a notification to restart the phone to apply some specific T-Mobile settings, since that is a T-Mobile SIM that we have inserted. So again, as you can see, it was all done here just via the computer program. I did not type in any unlock code, so I didn't have that already. So this is something that we can perform for almost anyone, anywhere in the world, as long as you have a good Windows computer and a fast internet connection, and the unlock can be done instantly without having to wait for that code. So if you have an AT&T Galaxy Note 8 and would like to get it instantly SIM unlocked, go ahead and contact us because we would love to help you out with that. All of our contact information will be right down in the video description, and I'll also put a slide at the end of the video here that has all the info there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out all of the other videos that we have on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for a lot of different devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button while you're there to be notified of all the new videos and services that we're constantly putting up, just like this one. Y para todos los hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.